So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to curve text here on Easil. So once you have the Easel application opened up on your web browser or on your device, simply go into your design, go to the right side of the screen and add some text to your document. So here on the right side, I have the text tab right here, this text icon, the T icon. Simply press on that. I'm just going to go ahead and press on add a header. I'm then going to make the text a little bit larger in size so it's easier for you guys to see. So just like that. Now, if you want to curve the text or add some curve to the text, it's actually very straightforward. Press on the text right here, go to this top bar and this little button right here to where it says curve text. So it's right between the align in space and the shadow icons. Simply just press on curve text right here. And it's pretty straightforward. If you slide it to the right, you'll make the curve more this way. If you slide it to the left, you'll make the curve go negative degrees or upwards. So let's say you want to keep it like that, for instance. There you go. And boom, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can curve text here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.